I need to find some information on the Azure Data Explorer connected to Apache Spark. Oh, hi everyone. My name is Hannah, and I'm doing a cool project with my dad. I'm learning to write in Python, and I want to build fast and scalable analytics and ETL solutions. Hey Dad, I can't find anything on the internet about fast data ingestion in the cloud. Can you help?
Sure can, Don. Yeah, g'day everyone. How's it going? I'm Hamish Watson from Christchurch, New Zealand. Has this ever happened to you? I bet it has, because it's happening. Our data engineers are getting younger and younger, and we need to help them. So, how could you help? Well, Data Platform Summit 2022 the call for speakers is now open. I've spoken at DPS before, and it's an awesome event. I've been involved since 2017, and I'm submitting a session this year so that our growing community of data engineers and professionals can learn and grow. And you know what? You can help out too, so please help out by submitting an awesome session, and hope to see you there soon. Well, albeit virtually. Take care everyone. Cheers.